So this is the shed's roof, and underneath you've got timber joists for support, and on top there's the EPDM membrane that keeps the roof watertight. However, the roof has been leaking from a couple of locations where there are cracks and the water is finding its way through the cracks. In this video, I'll show you how I applied the Gorilla waterproof patch and seal tape to seal these areas. And before choosing any product to repair your shed, make sure you consider the extent of the leaks, the location, and the other important factors. But for me, I found this product is great for small repairs like this, for any holes, cracks, or tears, and it's very easy to install. So you can see how some of the cracks appear on the surface. I'm going to apply now the tape to seal it. So this is the tape, and it's 100 millimeters wide and 3 meters long, and it shows here which surfaces are suitable for use and some instructions that are important to read. And here are some of the uses of the tape, and we'll use it for a roof shed, so similar to the photo on the right hand side. So I start by making sure the surface is clean. I had already washed the surface, and I'm just going to give it now a wipe to make it dry. I'll get the tape and check the size of the piece I want to use and cut it. And now simply take the film out to get to the sticky part and start apply it to the surface. I try to apply small piece to make sure I apply it firmly and roll it with my hand to get rid of any creases or gaps, especially at the edges. If you found this video helpful, then please consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel, and thank you for watching.